Ochosi and the Deer Patakin, Sacred Story. Ochosi had a herd of deer, but among them he had his favorite, an elegant and beautiful deer with large striking antlers that stood out from the rest. Ochosi became obsessed with this particular animal. Every day he would visit his ranch to admire it, and his servants took great care of the entire herd, but especially his favorite deer. They counted the herd daily and reported back to Ochosi with the numbers. One day, Ochosi's prized deer disappeared. His servants immediately set out to search for it, but after a long and exhausting search, they could not find it. They returned to inform Ochosi, who became very upset and ordered search brigades to look for it across the plains, forests, and mountains. Despite their efforts, they could not find it. This time, Ochosi decided that he himself would personally search for it. However, rather than searching through the plains, forests, and mountains, as his servants had done, he chose to start at his own ranch. Ochosi began his search in the stable, and after a short while, he noticed something unusual. Among the hay bales and wooden beams of the stable, the deer's large antlers had become trapped. Carefully, he freed the animal and released it. The deer immediately ran off, displaying its majestic and graceful nature once again. Ochosi then reprimanded all his servants for failing to check the most obvious place. Lesson of the Ifa. This Ifa teaches us that the master's eye makes the horse fat. In other words, no one will take care of what belongs to you better than you yourself. Delegation is useful, but personal attention to one's affairs ensures the best outcome.